Welcome to the second episode of Research Design Build. Today's episode we'll be looking at the FESTOOL dust collector systems. Now all the FESTOOL dust collection systems are absolutely excellent tools, but shortly after getting it I did realize that consumable wise they were pretty expensive to run, and so that's what we're going to be addressing in this video, or showing you how I addressed it. Now these bags can fill up very quickly, and at $8 a piece if you're in the US, or probably $13 a piece if you're in Canada, can be very expensive depending on what tool you've got connected to the unit. Now here you can see there's very little dust residue sort of left in the bottom. So in the next shot here you'll be able to see the modification that I made. Now this might be similar to the other FESTOOL bags that you can buy as an accessory that are seen as a reusable bag. But this does keep the filter element bag where you can use with the fine dust. So all I've done is put a watertight zipper down the whole bottom end of the bag, and this does allow you to just unzip it and dump it out. Now I've been using this for a couple of years now with no ill effects to the unit itself. I'm still getting good airflow through the bag, good separation, and very little dust that's actually bypassing the filter bag. Now I'm not a really heavy user of these. I'm not using it day in and day out in an industrial application, but for me it has proven to be very, very effective, and I'm getting multiple uses out of the same bag without having the need to change it. And as we talked about before, with these being $8 a piece US, $12, $13 a piece Canadian, it's a pretty substantial cost. Depending on what you're doing, you can fill up these bags quite quickly. So that's my modification that I did to my FESTOOL dust collector to save me a few bucks and make things more effective and quick around the shop. The other thing is, when I get a bag full, I don't have to worry about having one on the shelf. I can continue on with the rest of my project without a delay or needing to run back to the shop and or to the store and grab a new bag. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. There are plenty more videos coming.